Welcome from the IWA 2024. I'm at the booth from German Precision Optics, and some brand new products are here at the table. Please show me a short introduction in the new product line.
Of course, thanks, Jan. So we have a new member some new members to the binocular classes. As most of you probably know, we have the HD class, our top class, the ED glass line with different colors and everything. And now we have a new some new members to the family with the ACE SD class. SD means, for our terms, standard dispersion. Nevertheless, has a very good glass, good transmission, and it comes in 3 different objective lens diameters. In the 26 class, super compact, super lightweight, with magnesium housing, magnesium bridge, very nice locking ocular
I
caps.
Always forget also the little English words for some small pieces like this. Yeah.
It's okay. And then the 34 class, both in 10 and 8 magnification. And the 42 class, also in 10 and 8 magnification.
So very light, very durable, but on a good price point, more of a consumer and entry product line for.
Exactly. So the perfect secondary glass. You put it in the car, or you give it to your children for hiking, or any. If you go traveling, whatnot. Usually you have this in your backpack, in your hunting backpack or wherever, and then you have a second glass, which is not expensive but has very good quality and is super robust and very compact. So these you can put in every bag. Oh, this is already what I wanted to tell you. This is the screw thread for the
mounting on a tripod.
Exactly, tripod adapter, and they come all with magnesium housing, which is not normal in this class. Makes it very light and durable, and with a nice rubber armoring here, and all comes for $299. So our class is usually, so this is our credo, always go with the best quality for a very low price.
Sounds really good. And it's sometimes hard to show you the optics quality from products here at a fair. So if you have the opportunity, stop by.
Please,
take the glass, take a look, and you will be surprised how good the quality is on this price point.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I have also to say thank you to you guys, and see you in the next video.